created this beautiful website with smooth scrolling animations using a few AI tools in just a few minutes. Let's see how I did it in under 5 minutes. First, we need to find a product. I'm going to create this website for a supplement store, so I choose this product image. Next, we need to create a banner using this product. I'm going to use Nano Banana to generate the banner. Let me select our product image before type the prompt. Create a beautiful banner image of that chocolate flavour supplement. Don't add any text for your design. Also, you're not supposed to change anything of supplement bottle. Here we go. Our first banner is ready. Now I will create 3 banners for 3 different flavours: chocolate, strawberry and vanilla. In a few seconds, all banners are ready. Now we can move to the next step. Next, go to Flow and create a new project. I will use the image to video option to animate the banners. Upload the banner here. You can crop the image if you want. I will keep it default and save the image. Let's use clean prompt. Create a clean and smooth animation video. We have successfully animated our first banner. I will not waste your valuable time by repeating the same steps to animate the other banners. Now, let's move to the next step. Search for SGIF on Google and open the first website. Click on the Video to GIF tab, then click on Video to JPG. Next, select the first animation video and click the Upload button. Set the frame rate to 24. After that, click Convert to JPG. The frames will be exported here. Once the export is complete, download the zip file. I have added the frames for each flavour into 3 separate folders. Okay, now we have everything we need. Let's dive in to create the web page. Let's go to our old friend ChatGPT. This is the crucial part. I want you to create a beautiful modern-looking website for a supplement store. In Hero section, create a smooth scroll animation. There are 3 flavours: chocolate, strawberry and vanilla. To create scroll animation, smoothly change images when scroll. There are 192 images for each flavour. For example, chocolate/sgif-frame-001.jpg to chocolate/sgif-frame-192.jpg. Add 3 buttons to move between flavours like chocolate, strawberry and vanilla. Write HTML, CSS and JS codes. ChatGPT will provide all the code in the file structure. We only need to create the files and paste the code. Let me create the index.html. You can use any text editor to open the file. I use VS Code. Just copy and paste the code. I'm going to create other files by duplicating this. Just rename file with name ChatGPT has given and paste the related code. That is it. This is the first look of our website. Scroll animation effect is working as we expected. After making a few adjustments, I was able to get the final look of the page. I showed how to host a website for free with a domain in one of my previous videos. If you are interested, you can learn more about creating websites using AI from that video.